What's up, YouTube? Back again. It's been a minute since I posted a video. My bad on that. Been kind of busy handling a lot of things, but today I'm just doing this Service B on this beautiful car right here. Been here before many times. Today we're just doing a simple service on it. Just wanted you guys to check it out. Nice E350 drop top. Really don't see them in this color option. Even the interior, I'll get you guys some better shots later, but for now, I already got the car jacked up right now in the air. I'm gonna go ahead and start draining the oil on it so we can get that started, and then I'm gonna pop off the airbox covers and do a few more inspections. But for today, this is what we're gonna be dealing with. A little V6, but still got enough power to get it around. It's a nice daily driver, probably perfect for the beach, summertime. I definitely wouldn't mind having one of these, and I feel like it's one of a kind. You don't see this car anywhere. Drop top. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna set up cameras so you guys can kind of just watch the time lapse. Here we go. Alright, so we got the oil change part of the service done. It's a Service B, so it's an oil change, air filters, and an inspection of a lot of different other maintenance items. Right now, the oil is all done right there, so over here I got the air filters laid out. This is the air box that we popped off. I'm gonna flip this over so you can see the other side. So that's the back side. If you look, you can see there's screws. There's one there, there, and another one right there. So I'm gonna do that on both sides and get these taken off. Hopefully it's not too dirty, but either way it's gonna have brand new air filters. We got these, my boys over at Mercedes E350. These are the air filters. Got some other parts for other cars too, but these are what we're gonna be using today. Part number if you guys need it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up a camera so you guys can see how that's all busted apart. But yeah, let's get it. Air box all buttoned up, cleaned up, ready to throw back in the car. So let's go ahead and set that camera up so you guys can see that part. So these right here are the plastic engine covers or underbody covers. I don't know what you call them, splash guards that they go under the car. Usually a lot of times it's a good sign when you see them dry like this. You don't see no wet oil stains or nothing like that on them. A lot of times, most of the times when I take these covers off, you'll see drips of oil somewhere, which will give a telltale sign that there is a leak. But thankfully this one is super clean. It's a low mileage car, but it's been well maintained over the years. He always fixes anything and everything that is wrong with it. So this is what it's supposed to look like, y'all. Your engine cover should always be clean. No coolant, no engine oil, no transmission fluid, no nothing.
hit me up all night.
So one thing that I did find, it's not too serious, it's really minor actually. While I was checking out the suspension and all the ball joints just to make sure that they're all good, I found this, the sway bar end links. It goes all the way up there to the top of the strut, and then another one down here. The one at the top, I don't know if you guys can see it. That one looks good. It's still fine, but the one that's down here, you can see all the grease leaking out of it is busted. So probably have to replace this. And a little more this side. This side, it's not as busted, but you can see that some of the grease is starting to leak out of this bottom ball joint too. And the top one is fine. So it's a common thing. Suspension item doesn't affect the handling a lot, but it is something that you do want to replace. So I'm gonna let the owner know about that and see what he says. But yeah, just letting you guys know what I found up under here. Other than that though, everything else is super clean. There's no oil, there's no coolant. Transmission is like bone dry, exactly how you want it to be. Alright, so we got the car back on the ground, filled up with oil. You know, we got the new engine air filters in there. Making sure the coolant was topped off. It was already good. The belt is also good. It's hard to tell, but there's no cracks. The belt looks pretty fresh actually. I just got to finish up by putting this one last engine cover on right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's looking kind of dusty. Something that I like to do on charge extra, because to me it should just be clean. But on my car, I like to always keep under the hood clean, like all this dirt and dust and grime. So I'm gonna take a little extra time to get that all dusted and cleaned up, so it looks good for them when they come pick it up. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Still got to do some diagnostic scanning with the computer. I'm gonna scan it just to make sure that there's no hidden codes or electrical issues that might be unseen. So let's get that all done so we can get this car finished up and ready for pickup. So I got everything all buttoned up and cleaned up. You see everything's nice and clean. And now I'm just letting the engine idle a little bit, let it warm up, and then I'm gonna plug it into the computer to scan it to make sure that there's no codes or anything like that. But I just wanted you guys to check out how clean this car is. Clean the back seats. Sure, with the top down on a sunny San Diego day, this car is perfect for the beach. E350. Like how the top is a different color too. Never seen the top that color in person, at least. It's cool. That bling bling, light up star in the front, shining. Let your light shine. You guys can see full shot. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it run for a quick second. I'm gonna scan it and should be good to go. But I'll report back in 1 minute. Alright, so that about wraps it up for this car. It was pretty easy. It's just easy maintenance. Like I said, service B. It'll probably be back in again for maintenance maybe later this year or early next year, just because the owner doesn't really drive this one too much. But I do appreciate you guys. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I appreciate you guys dropping the likes, the comments, and those of you that subscribed already. I'm going to go ahead and keep on putting out this content, so just keep on watching and tuning in. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.